Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're gonna be doing some lazy cooking, except we're not gonna be cooking. I bought the most useless thing ever, and I want to do an unboxing and show it to you. You've probably already seen it in the thumbnails. I need to drag you people in, it's hard, but it's right here behind me. So let's see this awesome machine that is gonna save me minutes at some point. So here it is, the upright shirt steamer. Yeah, how have I ever been able to live without this? So the idea is that you don't have to iron your shirt, not as if I'm doing that as it is, but this one should make your shirts look a lot better. So it's like a plasticky top, and you give this the shirt on this, and there's a blower and it takes some heat, and well, then it expands the shirt, and well, the picture looks really good. So I am not thinking that I'm gonna be able to make that result, but we're gonna try. I think it helps if the shirt is a little bit wet, but let's unbox this and see what we end up with. That's the box. It looks pretty decent. Probably they have cheated me already. It uses power and all the way up to 1960 watts, which is quite a lot. I got this on a discount. I think someone has opened it. It was $3.99 Danish kroners, so just over $50. So it was kind of an something I just saw that I just wanted to try out, and I thought that it might do a funny video. So maybe let's open up. It looks like this. There's a metal rag in here, which I'm not sure what that is. I hope there's a manual here somewhere, because I have no idea how this works. Here is the white thingy, the upper body. Oh, I see something. There is some paper here, so maybe we'll actually figure out how this works. Oh, it's even in Danish. They shouldn't have. So cool. And plastic. Some heavy duty clips. Some more heavy duty clips. And I guess this is the unit itself. Oh, I bought this from Lidl. Anyone in Europe might know Lidl. It's very well known around here. It's a German company, but it's also in the UK. I have been in Lidl in the UK, so I know. So that's how it looks. I'm guessing that it's sucking in the air here and blowing it out here. So more or less it's an oversized hairdryer. So, locking mechanism for this metal rod, I'm guessing. Do wonder what this is. Guess that goes the other way. Ah, of course, so that the air doesn't blow directly up. Okay. I'll go check this for a few seconds and see if there's something really important that I need to know before we before I make further a fool of myself. So there wasn't much useful in here. Most of it is security advisory, ring thingy, and if I'm gonna burn down the house, it's way better that I don't know this stuff. I don't know if you know this, but well, the insurance covers if you're stupid. It does not cover if you knew it and did it on purpose. So yeah, I'm of course not gonna try to burn down the house, but yeah. So this is the top one. So if you're a big guy it can go all the way up there, and it can go down there. Okay, so this thing pops in. There's a press thingy there that you press, and then this goes down on top of that, and then I don't like that. You feel like you break it every time, I'm sure. So that's done. Then we need this white thingy. That's yeah, that should be, there are some adjustment zippers on it. So let's figure out how this goes on. There are some holes there. I guess that's the neck. Neck and neck. That opens up, okay. On the bottom. Oh, that's an elastic. There's an elastic band down there. So maybe we should. Ah, this is gonna be great. I can feel it. It's gonna be stupid. That's what it's gonna be. Okay, so how is this working? This down. Hold on now. Let's see what we get up. Okay. Okay, so that's about maximum. It gets very tall. And then there's an elastic band here in the bottom, and I am guessing very much that has to go around this edge down here. I think I want to get rid of that. Let's keep that on there. Let's hope I don't break that. Oh. There. Okay, that's a big thingy. There's a wire here. The manual says that this is a 1.5 meter wire. There wasn't a lot of information in that manual, but it did say that the wire is 1.5 meters. So thank you very much for that. So let's pop that in. And I just happen to have a socket right there. Very neat. There. So this looks absolutely stupid. Awesome. So let's see. It's very hot. That's kind of cool. It's actually very hot. It's not that hot up here, but right down here it's very hot. Okay, it actually works. So I have a shirt here, and I hadn't any shirts that was ready, so I took this into the shower and I made it wet. So it's not dripping wet, it's just wet, and I missed some pieces, but yeah, this is probably a shirt that could do with some ironing. What I usually do when I wash my shirts is that I wash them with the iron-free program in the washing machine. That means that you don't centrifuge them very fast and they get out and they are still damp and they haven't been crumbled up too much, and very quickly after the program has stopped I put them on a hanger and, well, they're not too bad. That's kind of just my little trick. The very best thing is to hang them outside in a little breeze. That will make it perfect, but I am too lazy for that. I'll just button this up and see if I can fit it on there. So it's gonna be very interesting to figure out if this is any easier than ironing your shirt, because it might not be. Here. And I have it over. And we have those weird clamps. We're gonna use those as well. I saw a drawing that they put one right there. That makes sense. good. Might actually not be bad, it just takes way too long. Yeah. Are we ready? I guess we are. It has been running for 10 minutes and I turn it on again. There's a light indicator down here at the bottom. There are 6 LEDs and when you turn it on it goes 5 minutes and then you screw it and it goes 10, 15, 20, 25, 13 minutes and yeah, it stops automatically when it reaches that amount of time, so awesome. It smells like someone has been ironing out here, so that's about the same thing. So, and I do actually believe that it looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty smooth. So I'll try it on. I put it on the floor, so I think it's easier to get this off. So, yeah, Iron Man. Yeah, I don't think this is bad. This is not a dress shirt, it's a regular work shirt, so nothing fancy about that. But yeah, it's now it's ironed or hot air decrinkled. I don't know what to call this, but yeah, this is a weird thing. So yeah, it works. I'm not sure that it's really any faster than if I just took the old iron out of the closet and did it the old way, but it was more fun. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again doing something most likely very different next time. So have a nice day and a nice Sunday. This is definitely gonna be a Sunday video, so bye bye.